How to change your address on Cash App. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your address on Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile app. You will land on the homepage of the app where there are different icons that you can use to navigate to different areas of the account. From them, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see. Here, there are sections that will lead you to different features of the app. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you come to this section here named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, the one we need today is this one here named Personal. You will land on this page where you will find the personal info of your Cash App account. Make sure you are following the tutorial closely to avoid making mistakes. Next, tap on this option here named Address. This field will then appear where you are supposed to enter your current address. When you start typing it, you will get some suggestions, so make sure you enter and choose the correct address. After that, more fields that need some information, such as the ones you can see here, appear. After that, go ahead and confirm the information you have entered is correct. Then proceed and tap here, Next. After that, finalize and save the changes you have made. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to change your address on Cash App.